You know that sudden, stabbing pain that hits your leg in the middle of the night and makes you jump out of bed? Or maybe it's that sharp cramp in your calf during your morning run that stops you dead in your tracks. If you've ever experienced muscle cramps, you know just how excruciating they can be. But here's something that might surprise you. The solution to preventing these painful episodes could be sitting right in your kitchen. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of muscle cramps and discovering 12 incredible foods that can naturally help you say goodbye to this painful problem. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll never look at your grocery shopping the same way again. Before we jump into our list, let's talk about what's actually happening when you get a muscle cramp. These involuntary muscle contractions occur when your muscle fibers suddenly tighten up, usually lasting anywhere from a few seconds to several minutes. While the exact cause isn't always clear, research shows that factors like intense exercise, dehydration, electrolyte imbalances, and certain nutrient deficiencies are major contributors. The key insight here is that your muscles need specific nutrients to function properly. When these nutrients are lacking, your muscles essentially start to misfire, leading to those painful cramps we all want to avoid. So, let's get into the good stuff. Let's start with our first powerful cramp-fighting food, avocados. These creamy green fruits aren't just for toast. They're nutritional powerhouses packed with potassium and magnesium. These two minerals work as electrolytes in your body, helping your muscles contract and relax properly. When your electrolyte levels drop, especially after a tough workout, muscle cramps become much more likely. Adding avocados to your diet provides your body with a steady supply of these crucial minerals. Next up is watermelon, and here's why this summer fruit is a game changer for muscle health. Did you know that watermelon is nearly 92% water? This makes it an incredible hydration powerhouse. But it's not just about the water content. Watermelon also delivers significant amounts of magnesium and potassium, creating the perfect combination for muscle function and cramp prevention. Our third cramp-fighting champion is coconut water, and there's a reason athletes swear by this natural sports drink. Coconut water contains a complete electrolyte profile, including calcium, potassium, sodium, magnesium, and phosphorus. Research has actually shown that athletes who rehydrate with electrolyte-rich beverages like coconut water after intense exercise are less likely to get muscle cramps compared to those drinking plain water. It's nature's rehydration formula. Sweet potatoes deserve a spot on our list because they're absolutely loaded with muscle-supporting nutrients. Just 1 cup of mashed sweet potato provides over 20% of your daily potassium needs and nearly 13% of your magnesium requirements. These orange powerhouses also contain calcium, making them a triple threat against muscle cramps. Plus, they're delicious. Here's where things get really interesting. Greek yogurt isn't just great for your gut, it's also fantastic for your muscles. This protein-packed dairy product is rich in potassium, phosphorus, and calcium, all of which function as electrolytes. Calcium is particularly important because muscles literally cannot function correctly without it. A lack of calcium in your blood can lead to muscle cramps and even irregular heartbeat patterns. Bone broth might sound a bit old-fashioned, but it's making a comeback for a very good reason. This liquid gold is created by simmering animal bones for hours, which extracts valuable minerals including magnesium, calcium, and sodium. The hydrating nature of bone broth combined with its mineral content makes it an excellent choice for preventing muscle cramps. A pro tip: when making it at home, add a splash of apple cider vinegar to help pull even more minerals from the bones. Let's head to the tropics with papaya, which brings both flavor and function to our cramp-fighting arsenal. 1 medium-sized papaya delivers about 15% of your daily potassium needs and 19% of your magnesium requirements. Interestingly, research involving women found that those who experienced muscle cramps consumed significantly less dietary potassium than those who did not. This suggests that upping your intake of potassium-rich foods, like papaya, could be a huge help. And please don't overlook beet greens. These leafy tops of the beet plant are nutritional superstars that many people throw away. 1 cup of cooked beet greens provides over 20% of your daily needs for both potassium and magnesium. They're also loaded with calcium, phosphorus, and B vitamins. But here's an additional bonus. Beet greens contain nitrates, which help improve blood vessel function and ensure proper blood flow to your muscles, potentially reducing cramp occurrence. Now for a surprising one: fermented foods like pickles. While it might sound strange, some research suggests that pickle juice can actually help reduce muscle cramps in athletes. One study found that drinking a small amount of pickle juice reduced muscle cramp duration by nearly 50 seconds compared to plain water. The high sodium and other electrolytes in fermented foods like pickles, kimchi, and sauerkraut may help maintain proper muscle function. Salmon brings multiple muscle-supporting benefits to the table. This fatty fish is rich in protein, anti-inflammatory omega-3 fats, B vitamins, and key electrolytes like potassium, magnesium, and phosphorus. Additionally, salmon is high in iron, which is essential for healthy blood cell production and oxygen delivery to muscle tissues. Perhaps most importantly, wild-caught salmon is an excellent source of vitamin D. A vitamin D deficiency can lead to muscle pain and spasms, making salmon a smart choice for overall muscle health. Next up, smoothies deserve special recognition because they offer incredible versatility. You can combine so many of our cramp-fighting ingredients, like frozen berries, spinach, almond butter, and Greek yogurt, to create a hydrating, nutrient-dense drink that gives your muscles exactly what they need. The beauty of smoothies is that you can completely customize them based on what your body is telling you. Finally, let's talk about tiny but mighty sardines. These small fish pack an impressive nutritional punch, providing calcium, iron, phosphorus, potassium, sodium, vitamin D, and magnesium. They're also rich in selenium, a mineral that plays an essential role in muscle function. Low selenium levels can lead to muscle weakness, making sardines an excellent addition to your cramp prevention toolkit. So, the science behind why these foods work is actually quite straightforward. Muscle cramps often happen because of electrolyte imbalances, dehydration, or nutrient deficiencies. By incorporating foods rich in potassium, magnesium, calcium, and sodium, you're giving your body the building blocks it needs for your muscles to work correctly. What's particularly exciting about this natural approach is that you're not just addressing muscle cramps, you're also supporting your overall health with nutrient-dense whole foods that have benefits far beyond just muscle function. It's a win-win. If you frequently experience muscle cramps, try incorporating several of these foods into your regular diet and see how your body responds. Remember to stay properly hydrated and think about the timing of your meals, especially around when you exercise. However, it's really important to note that persistent or severe muscle cramps might signal underlying health issues that need medical attention. If your symptoms don't improve or they get worse even with these dietary changes, please consult with a healthcare professional to rule out anything serious. The bottom line is that nature has provided us with incredible tools to support our muscle health naturally. By making smart food choices and understanding how nutrition affects muscle function, you can take control of your muscle cramp prevention strategy and potentially eliminate this painful problem from your life entirely. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips on living a healthier, happier life. We'll see you in the next one.